Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying power and connection because low battery or multiple paired devices often cause lag. Make sure AirPods are charged above 20% and only paired to one active source. This reduces interference. Once done, update your phone or laptop and AirPods firmware so codecs and drivers match the headset. This first step removes the most common causes and sets a clean baseline before deeper troubleshooting. It's fast and prevents wasted effort. You now perform the practical middle steps. Reset and adjust codecs because mismatched codecs or corrupted profiles create delayed audio. Reset the AirPods by holding the case button until an amber flash clears profiles, then repair. Next, change your device's Bluetooth codec or prioritize AAC/SBC in advanced settings to match the AirPods' capabilities. Also, turn off device-specific audio enhancements like video sync or latency reduction. These can add processing delay. Doing this aligns software pathways and often resolves persistent lag. You finish by validating and, if needed, escalating. First, test AirPods with a second device to determine whether the phone or the headset is causing lag. If you need real-time sync for gaming or video, use a wired adapter or a dedicated low-latency transmitter. This bypasses Bluetooth processing. If problems persist after these checks, make sure to document the steps you tried, then contact Apple support or book a Genius Bar appointment. They can run diagnostics or replace faulty hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.